Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we'll learn how to find the probabilities in binomial distributions. Let's use this example. Here it says a student takes a 15 question multiple choice quiz with 4 choices for each question. So the 15 questions, all of them are multiple choice and there are 4 choices, let's say A, B, C, D. The student did not prepare for the quiz and makes a random guess on each question. Right? So the student is just randomly selecting. The student doesn't know which one is the answer. So the question is find the probability of guessing. Number one, guessing 10 out of the 15 questions correctly. Now, this follows the binomial distribution. There are 15 questions, so the number of trials is 15. And the probability of success, which in this case, correctly guessing, because the student is randomly guessing, that's 1/4, 1 out of 4, or 0.25. So this is a binomial distribution. And we have n, the number of trials, so there are 15 trials. Okay. And then the probability of success in this case is 0.25 or 1/4, because the 4 choices A, B, C, D, and only one of them is right. And if the student is randomly guessing, the probability of guessing it correct is 25% or 1/4. All right. Now the first question says exactly 10 are correct guess out of 15. So that means for number one, we're going to have x needs to be 10 out of 15. So we would set it up in this way: 10 success out of 15 trials, and the probability of success is 25. And for this, we're going to use Python, and we'll import a new library. And that library is, well, actually, we may have used it already, but it's called from SciPy. We don't need all of it, right? So from the SciPy library, we're going to import only the stats module. Only the stats is needed, so we don't need to import the entire SciPy. Now, for a binomial distribution, we're going to do stats, okay? Because we imported as we only needed stats. And then it's binom. So binom is the for binomial distribution. And now we needed the exact value x is equals to 10, and that is going to be the PMF function. Okay, PMF function. And then the rest, the first is how many success? We wanted 10 success. And then the second one is and actually we don't need to write the x's. So we needed exactly 10 success out of 15 trials, and the probability of success is, we can write it as 1/4, or we can just write 0.25. And let's run this. And this number, which is very small chance that the student will guess 10 out of 15, it's almost zero, but it's 0.007